Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We have a new project starting today. We are going to tear this thing down, and in place of it is going to be a 30 by 36 garage. I'll put an idea of the picture here on the screen just so you can get an idea of what it is. Right now we are waiting for my excavator and the machine to get here so we can start tearing into this thing. And really, who doesn't like just tearing into things and just tearing things down? Let's get started. YouTube, man.
I was gonna try and save it, but it ain't happening.
What are you trying to save?
I was gonna try and clip it down in 4 walls and then stack
And
it
try to
over
keep
here
it.
and keep it, but I ain't doing it.
You could try.
Nah, it ain't happening.
It's real nice.
Fresh wood is nice. It's a shame.
I know. You
Yeah,
tear it
you gotta
down.
figure out how to haul it. Shame.
Connor, start kicking
Wow.
these nails off. We're taking it apart. Not even a machine, man.
Yeah, I guess. Don't get scared. All right, well, that wasn't so bad to tear that thing down. Now it's just a big cleanup. Let's get to it. Let's give a shout out. Who's helping me here? TC Foundation. Waterproofing foundation repair. He's out here helping me using his machine, tearing this place down. Just debris everywhere. It's cleaned up. Another thing we have to do is we're going to cut this wall down here so to get this flattened out, because I need some room this way for the garage. After we get most of this cleared out, we also got to tear up this pad as well. See if we crack this slab up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go to 84 Lumber. Double check on my lumber package for this garage. Go to order some rebar to get delivered tomorrow, and hopefully we'll be able to start our footers at least a little bit tomorrow. All right, it's going smooth so far. We got the building torn down, tearing up this pad. Next thing we're going to do is cut up this brick retaining wall and get it torn down. to me.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, got the shed all torn down. We got the concrete slab. It's gone. And now we're to the dirt. Now, I want to show you something because we do have to dig footers at 3 feet deep. Now, underneath this garage slab, they had a lot of fill dirt. And obviously, you can't build on fill dirt. We have to dig down deep enough to where we hit virgin soil. Let me turn you around. See all this dirt here is all like asphalt chunks. There's some brick in there. And you can't dig and lay a footer on this. You have to dig down deep enough to be on virgin soil. Now, if we go around this other side, where the end of the building's going, right down around here is going to be the end of the building. Now, I should be, once I start digging, I should be fine hitting nice dirt in here for my footer. That's just little words of advice if you kind of want to do it on your own. The building's only as good as the ground that it's on. And if you build on crappy ground, you're going to get crappy structure. Well, that is it for today. Got it torn down. Took 2 loads out of here already. We got a pile of concrete to get rid of. Tomorrow we're going to start marking out some lines, start digging some footers and see what we got to deal with. Other than that, I will see you on the next one. Thanks for building.